So guys, to access your RAR, jar, zip and more types of these folders, you have to download a software which is called Winnrar. To download it, open your any trusted web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. So in the Google Chrome, just type here Winnrar and hit enter, and here click on download Winnrar. I give the link in the description box. You can also download it from there. So after clicking on it, just click on this blue box and it will automatically download the software. I have already downloaded the software, so I can't download it again. So guys, after downloading the software, just double click on it and you can also open it by right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Here click on install. After installing, click on ISO and jar. Click on OK. And after clicking on OK, your Winnrar software has been downloaded. So here you see your Winnrar software. Now I'm telling you that how to use that software. So guys, here I have a RAR file which is this CS creators. The proof is this, that here you can see that this is a RAR files type of file, Winnrar achieved RAR file. So to access the file, just double click on it and here you can access the folder, and also you can right click on it and then click on extract here, so you can also access the folder by this method. So here you can see. Now if you are able to access your zip or RAR file folders, then hit the like button and also share this video to your all friends. And if you are new on this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to all. Thanks for watching.
Storybox Audio.